Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Classroom for the class you want to meet with and locating the Meet link. Once done, click the Meet link or create a new meeting from the class stream or class settings. This immediately generates a shared link. Make sure to allow camera and microphone permissions in your browser or app and run the quick audio and video test that appears. If you use a calendar event, attach the same Meet link so participants join from one place. Once in the call, you control the classroom flow. Mute individual students or all participants to reduce noise and remove anyone if necessary. When you need to present, click Present Now and choose Entire Screen, Window, or Chrome tab for better audio sharing. Presenting a tab is best for videos. Also leverage captions for accessibility, monitor the chat for questions, and create breakout rooms for group work. Make sure you record the session if you want to provide replay access and attendance records later. To finish, either end the meeting for everyone or leave while another teacher continues. Confirm any recording saves automatically to your Drive and linked class folder. If participants report no audio or frozen video, first check browser or app microphone/camera permissions and switch devices if needed. Then ask users to close other bandwidth-heavy apps and join using a wired connection if possible. If links overlap or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.